I have
Reggae.
all, yeah, you have reggae, right? We have come to the point, when there's a party these days, stood up me as an MC. I don't know whether you have noticed this, but it's all Afrobeats, right? And now when we say Afrobeats, different. I mean, I mean, Nigeria is leading it for sure, but there's Ghana, there's Liberia, there's Tanzania, there's, you know what I mean? So everyone just coming out under that one umbrella to say, hey man, let's just push this thing. And that's the kind of music you hear all over at a wedding, at a graduation, at a baby shower, everywhere. You know what I mean? It's like that whole phenomena is like the other music where the African community, we are not playing those other music anymore. We are gravitating towards Afrobeats and just running with it.
Mm-hmm. But you know,